Good morning, children. Today we will know something about kite flying festival. In the topic 3.2, the kite festival. People of all age enjoy kite flying. Hope you all know kite flying, which is celebrated in spring in India. Makar Sankranti is the kite festival in India. Kite flying has a long history. There are many Greek, Indian, and other mythological stories which tell us about human beings wanting to or trying to fly. In ancient days in Europe, kites were believed to be messengers and like birds. They felt they had spiritual connection with the gods. In India, there is a very scientific reason behind flying kites on the eve of Sankranti. In the olden times, kite flying was done in the early hours and it was believed that the exposure of sun had health benefits. The sun rays was believed to help fight infections and skin diseases and keep us healthy through. In towns and cities where open spaces are difficult to find, terraces and rooftops are often used for these traditional sports. In Gujarat, Makar Sankranti is kite flying day, traditionally celebrated on January 13 or 14. It is a holiday when people meet outdoors to cut each other's kite. The kite flying begins at dawn and continues without a pause throughout the day. People of all ages gather on terrace or rooftops. There is music in the air and traditionally delicacies are specially prepared for the day. Held on the same day, a bigger event, however, is the International Kite Festival at Ahmedabad, organized by the Gujarat State Tourism Corporation. It is held either at the Sardar Patel Stadium or the Police Stadium. This excited spectators watch in awe as marvelous shapes such as eagle and snake soar into the skies. One of the highlights of this festival is the Patang or Kite Bazaar in the heart of Ahmedabad, which is open 24 hours a day for a whole week. A visit to this bazaar is the middle of the night is enough to prove that the entire city is obsessed with kites. People crowded the streets and buy their stocks haggling through the night. Skilled craftsmen demonstrated age-old kite making skills and how to prepare the special thread used for kite flying. Mixture of glue and ground glass cover the lines, which are dried and rolled into the reels known as firkis. These lines are so sharp that carelessly used they can cut a finger. The excitement does not end with nightfall. Now it is time for illuminated box kites, often strung on one line, to be launched into the sky, called tukals. They add a grand beauty to the dark sky and compete with the brilliance of the stars. Hope you understand the chapter. Thank you.